की तुम्ही रस्त्यावर गाडी अडयतात, तुम्ही सगळे हे करतात.
दिस इज अ पुलिस वर्क. व्हाय वी शुड गो देअर? आम्ही सगळे केले. नाव वी विल नॉट गो देअर ऑन द रोड बिकॉज वी विल फाईट इन अदर वे. बिकॉज कितें आसा, आम्ही ऑल द टाइम सगळे सांगले. नाव देर आर सर्टन डायरेक्शन्स, court direction, they have to fulfill it. If they are not working, then we'll go in the court and make them to force them to implement the law. Police asa, they are inefficient. हांव तुका सांगता. So it is on the government because all ministers and all including CM, he is supporting them. आता इतले इश्यूज आसा गोयचे, पूण ओय आयला दिल्लीच्यान आनी बिफाचेर हे शॉर्टेज आय विल. अरे लीगल कितें आसा ते दी न्ही, ते इट इज युअर ड्युटी.
सीएमाचो स्टेटमेंट इज व्हेरी क्लियर की जे कायदेशीर रित्या तांकां सरकार प्रोटेक्ट करतलो म्हणून.
कायदेशीर आमकां मीठ कॉम्प्लेक्स जसो आसा न्ही तसो बेळगांवचो स्लॉटर हाऊस दाखयचो न्ही सीएमान खंयच्यान हाडटा. आनी इट इज अप्रूव्ड बाय द गव्हर्नमेंट, सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंट और स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट, आनी तो थंयच्यान हे हाडटा आनी इट इज गुड फॉर कन्झम्पशन.
हाऊ वुड यू रिएक्ट?
See, he is asking for the Goa's chief minister to rectify something in another state.
Yeah.
This is absolutely illogical. One minute.
Why?
No, because how he is going to control the other state?
No.
The question is simple. Today, so many states, India is the third largest beef exporter. You are exporting beef from here, and the people of Goa cannot give beef, which is almost a staple food, and you are trying to block that.
कोण खाता पळय तेका आमी आडू शकना आणि इट इज नॉट आवर ड्युटी. ही प्रत्येकाची विश आसा.
पण तुम्ही अवेलेबिलिटी ब्लॉक करपा पळय
ना. आमचे विषय आसा गो गाय अँड गाय जे आसा आमची तेजेर आमी वी विल टेक ऑलवेज बिकॉज फॉर दॅट कॉज ओनली वी आर फायटिंग. बाकी रेस्ट एनिमल्स आर देअर.
Try to tell you illegalities are happening.
So they should just happen.
No, they should not happen. But you cannot take law into your hand.
Who is taking? We are not
As I
taking.
told you, somebody is slapping
We are
somebody
telling
that
police
you
to
have-
implement the law.
You are putting pressure on police.
Why we should?
Because that is the
should-
reason the abattoir has come to
Putting
attention.
pressure on police
Dhamki.
to implement
No.
the law
No.
is a bad thing.
No, not to implement the law. To circumvent the law and stop this. If the health certificate is there, who are you?
No. Who is giving health certificate? You are checking. We have checked. No health certificate. No food safety. तुका सांगो आम्ही जे 2010 रेड केली मॉल्यांसून येतना किडे पडलेले मासाक आसा. वी हॅव द फोटो. लोक खाता खावनी.
आता तो म्हणटा
कोण
की
ते खावनी पण लोकांनी सुद्धा पोवंक जाय.
One minute,
They have to
that is
take.
very important.
Ah.
What he is saying, आम्ही रेड मारली, आम्ही रेड मारली.
ओके म्हाका लास्ट
Yeah,
सांगा.
मारपाक कोण?
खावपी
That is
आसा
what
न्ही.
he is doing, no.
No. आम्ही धर्म लायना.
हय.
हे लोकूच सांगतात.
हय.
आम्ही केन्नाच लावंक
बरं
ना.
पण
10
तुमची
वर्सां.
अपेक्षा किती आता?
आमकां इतलेच तो लीगल स्लॉटर हाऊसांतल्यान सरकारान
Again.
हाडची.
हे तुम्ही मागता.
That he should say,
Right.
the government should take care of legal beef coming into Goa. See, he is asking, where the abattoir in Karnataka, what's the problem?